So guys, how to make this animation? So for simply making this, I will tell you from first. So first step for making this is to choose a background. So first of all, I'm Sarvesh. Welcome to Let's Code with Sarvesh. So today we are going to make an animation that I have shown first. For making this, we have to select two backdrops. So first of all, click on space and select any of you like. I will like to choose moon, and next one is to choose, click on outdoors and choose anyone you will like. So basically I am choosing this playing field. Now delete this sprite and let's add a sprite. So now click on sprite and click on, we have to search uh, Kyran. Yeah, here it is. We have to choose Kyran. Now we will choose a rocket ship. A rocket ship. So we have to make the rocket ship size 200 and Kyran size 50. Now we will be looking smaller. So basically rocket ships are big than humans. So getting understand with this physics law, I am making this. I don't know about much more about physics. Now click on costumes and select Kyran A. Sorry, on rocket ship you have to click first, and now select rocket ship E. Now click on Kyran. So choose a look you don't like of Kyran. So I am choosing Kyran F. Now we have to fully erase it like this. Make it fully erase. Nothing will be shown there. You have to do like this, or there you will be getting problem. Here you can see. Nothing of Kyran is left here. Now let us click on Kyran A. Now blocking is, designing is done. Now let's start some coding. So whenever flag, or you can also take this block. I am taking this block because whenever space or any key is pressed. So basically from this block we start the code. So you can take any one. Now when space key is pressed, then looks. So Kyran will say hello for 2 seconds, and after 2 seconds he will say, after 1 second he will say I am going in space, or I am going to moon. I am going to moon. Now this will work like this. So you have to simply press space key like this. Now after whenever he says I'm going to moon, After that, click on motion, glide 1/6 to rocket ship. Now he will glide towards the rocket ship. Now, so after gliding to rocket ship, click on looks, switch costume to Kyran. And first of all, you have to see the the erased costume. Now click on code. So switch costume to Kyran app and click on events and broadcast message. So whenever rocket ship receive message 1, then click on motion, click on looks and switch costume to rocket ship A. In rocket ship A, rocket ship is flying. Yeah, rocket ship is flying in costume to rocket ship A. Wait for 1 second. Now again click on look. Switch backdrop to moon and broadcast. I now click on Kyran and choose the block. When I receive I, switch costume to Kyran A. Now it will work like this. Now Kyran is stopping in front of rocket ship. Now we have to make him move to this place. Now first of all we need to get this place x-axis and y-axis. So x-axis is 123 and y-axis is -143. Now click on motion and select glide 1/6 to x-axis 123, y-axis -14. Now make him here. Now let's reset this. For resetting it, you have to simply choose the playing field and reset their costumes. Now rocket ship to rocket ship E. And after resetting, everything is done. Now let's test it again. It is done. So simply it is done. For making this a next level, we have to erase this fire part. Now click on rocket ship and go on looks and select switch costume to rocket ship E. Now let's reset it again. Now let's test it. Now let's display a message by Kyran that moon is wonderful place. Now click on looks and select this block. Say hello for 2 seconds and click on hello. Delete it fully and type here moon Actually, the code is working. I am sorry. Now this how it will be looking. We have to reset it. Now let's test it. So our simply animation is made. So before ending this video, I am going to announce that I have made simply my personal site on which I will share my APKs to you. So basically, by clicking on that link, you will get a message that uh, please share the request to the owner. So after getting, I will get your request. I will access that request because I have that document to my Google Docs. So after getting your request access, you will get that app. You will get that app's APK in just 1 or 2 seconds. So for accessing your request, I need only 1 to 2. I will be needing 1 to 2 days. So in 1 to 2 days, you will get that app without any network issue. So for I have given my links I mean sorry my website's link in my description. So check out, and want more if you want more coding videos or more project making videos, please subscribe to my channel and like and share and comment. So for today, bye bye.